Presbyterian Science College mendagsi ka khakanatik ujaliu araja arsaw kala rakhi ya kalan khu snam ka bakhat pra jongka hakaba chief secretary jong jalla uba DP walang ulalong ukongsan ya kani kalan khu snam la plong ba flaw jongka college ka ba don lang DC jongka Eastern West Castle District uba ji khan wa plang moderator jongka merang Presbytery Reverend GC Lindam President jongka governing body Reverend AI Karshiyeng ki pastor jongka merang Presbytery kita membasan Berkemjuru kena mikmat naga jasang kentai bat jasang Samla mairang Presbytery kentup ru ikik mikik ma berkemjuru ki Samla Pule jangka college. Hagan ni kajing rakhe u principal jangka college u ba artang ke u lap sengau ya kajing ya di tiga college. Hagan ni ki khat prasnam. Haga boleh tu ba ka basdang ladon tangkat arngot ki Samla Pule hindai matak ladon ki spangot bat parat hajan ngot ki Samla Pule ki lapas naga ni ka college. Hagan ni kajing arang lapat ke buram ru ikit khat parim jangka governing body pakam juru ketu kemudian bentah ka basang ini ke college pakam juru pun ke buram yo Kevin Strong Lauren yang usam la Pule jangka ni ke college balawan haga top 10 juga exam HSLC metak snem abakran khandi ke jalang oba DP walang ulang bakasaka metakat nu wonra yagar kom tekam ka bathma ya ke college pakam juru ke par ke jaka Pule hakaba ke Samla Pule Agaba ke Samla Pule wala kilit Pule ka Lion Science ru nri ka ban Shim ke subject jongka art stream bakam yuru ke Samla Pule ke badan ka art stream la ki ka ban Shim ke mega mas ke badan ka science ki la ban ne ya kata
That the National Education Policy was adopted in the year 2020 and it places a strong emphasis on STEM education, that is on science, technology, engineering and maths. It is a landmark reform aimed at overhauling the Indian education system to make it more holistic, to make it more flexible, multidisciplinary, aligned with the needs of the 21st century. So, although it's a science college, I'm very happy that the management have opened BA course. Now let me tell you an example why. You see, we are planning to reform the curriculum of the university system. It is an ongoing process now, it is a work in progress. Under NAP 2020, what is going to happen is, if you are studying for BSc, but you like political science as a subject, you can take your BSc courses and you can also opt for political science or you can opt for history. If you are studying history, for example, in a BA course, but if you like mathematics, you can opt for mathematics. So this college has become more open, has become more versatile, and one day you will see that a student who is studying BSc will also study political science or maybe history or economics. I'll tell you abroad in America what is happening is in very advanced colleges like MIT for example, they study nuclear science. It's the best technical university in the whole world. They study nuclear science, but a person may be a lover of music. So on one hand he is doing maybe research in nuclear science, but because of his love for music, he is taking also a degree which is music. So for a nuclear science on one hand and music on the other hand, it's happened even in one of the IITs here. You can study engineering and or music as one of your subjects, or maybe tourism as one of the subjects. So this will increase the level, will increase the playing field, and will make sure that a student will not miss. Suppose now I'm doing BSc. I love physics, I love math, but I don't like chemistry. Many people don't like chemistry somehow because of the complicated chemical equations. So what we can do is we can study physics, we can study math, but instead of taking chemistry maybe, they can take history or they can take geography as a subject. So there will be more choice available to you, there will be more flexibility. And that